Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be inspired by the Saharan by Juvia'S palette. It's just something that I came up with. I'm going to start off by taking the Neutrogena Hydrating Tint in Natural Beige. And I'm just going to put that all over the face and buff it out with my Real Techniques Damp Beauty Sponge. Now that I've blended that out, I'm going to go in with my NYX finishing powder and just go ahead and set my face. Now moving on to the eyebrows, I'm going to take my NYX micro brow pencil in brunette and carve out my brows. Remember to set your eyebrows, and today I'm going to be using my NYX Control Freak to go ahead and set the brows and keep the hairs in place. Now I'm going to start on the eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and starting in with the Saharan by Juvia'S palette. I was so excited to use this palette, and the first shade that I went in was with Katsina and I went ahead and put that all over my crease. The next shade I'll be taking is Sokoto, and I'm going to take that on the inner and outer corner of my eye as well as the upper crease. So I'm basically just building up that shade, and remember to go back in with a blending brush to ensure that you have a seamless blend and no harsh lines. I'm going to be dipping my finger in the shade Zoya, and I'm going to put that right on the center of my lid and blend that out with another brush to really have more control on where I need to put the product. And also it's going to help to blend out the edges, that way it doesn't just look like we plucked the shade right on. I wanted to go in with the shade Wodaabe and just put that right on the center to add a little pop. Going back in with Sokoto, I'm going to go ahead and buff that into my lower lash line. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and put on some mascara. For mascara today, I would be using the Liquid Lash Extensions by Thrive Cosmetics. And for lashes, today I'll be going in with the Morphe lashes in the style Rodeo. And after, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Eye Studio liner in Black is Black and putting that in the tight line and waterline. after that, I'll be going ahead and finishing my face. I'll be going in with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer and bronzing up the face to bring back warmth. And I'll be going in with the NYX HD finishing powder to go ahead and clean up my bronzer. Once that's done, I'm going to leave it on to bake for a little bit and go in with my Morphe blush trio in the shade Spirit. Alright, now it's time to go ahead and dust this stuff off, and I'm going to go in with highlight. This is the Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone. I'm basically going to highlight the whole face, so I'm going to get my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, forehead, temples, girl, you name it, everything. Don't forget to highlight the tear duct and the brow bone. Today for lipstick, I'll be taking the Jeffree Star X Manny MUA liquid lipstick in the shade I'm Shook. And that would complete today's look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.